All right, today is February 13th, Friday the 13th, 2026. All right, so yesterday the market just went down, had a nice little consolidation here before it dropping down even further, just continued. Got this little zone right here. I am interested in hoping that I have something there as far as like support or resistance. So I'm going to mark that. All right, I want to see support and resistance from one of the time frames. I'm going to clear all of this here. Price is doing a nice job dropping back again after this reclaim. Go to the daily. See that? Bam. I want to see price come down, like just freaking demolish the market. That'd be great. And then maybe get an opportunity to buy it back up even stronger. I think we had something like this in Trump's first term where the market recovered and then fell again and then recovered during the next presidency. But I would like to see this recover before that. Like I was trying to get some options in a while back, and it sucked that I wasn't able to get in anything because price did exactly what I wanted to see it do. And now here we are now. All right, so um, just gonna clear up some stuff, clear up some noise. See if I can find anything that helps supports anything that I'm looking at. I really want to see something here. Looks like we want to create something, like looking at this buy that failed. So maybe, maybe not. All right. This might be a straight line. Let's add the low from yesterday, which looks like it's here. High from yesterday should be right there. 150-point drop. Sheesh, what a menace of a market. You got one more pull before I delete you. I ain't got time for that. So market opens up in less than 20 minutes. All right, so we're gonna be looking for like this area here. I like already. Like that's potentially something there, but I don't see anything. All right, like nothing. Like some bullshit. Like this should hopefully be something there. Like this done. All right, just price just not wanting to give me anything to really work with. We got this happening down here. Alright, so that's just gonna end up being a 30-minute time frame. Yeah. Alright, so that's what that's basically gonna be in a 30-minute time frame. I'd settlement price because that's just bothering me. About. Okay. Okay, so something here, higher time frame, buy, sell. So from here to here is what I'm guessing. Let's track it out. That's what we got. All right, yeah, but all right. So what could possibly be the time frame for That's not good. Could just be the 4 hour. All right. 30 minutes. 15. All right. So this looks like it's a pretty clean move up. Don't really have anything to support this. I don't really have anything here to support this. Maybe this buy. $15. Okay. Now here's the thing, right? Yes, the other day when my account went kabam, right? Buyers had reclaimed this sell after this low after breaking it and reclaim, and then for this one they reclaimed the high and this one reclaimed the low, right? So right now price is kind of reclaiming that. So maybe we'll get a balanced return, something here, break above return, something, maybe, right? So that's kind of like what we're working with right now. So not quite sure what we got, but this is what we got. Let's go to NQ. Put this bad boy to 150, like that. All right, also has a 15-minute thingy going on here. We're gonna get rid of all of the noise that's there. Let's put this to the 30-minute time frame and just get rid of the things that are in our way here. I'm gonna drag this down. Maybe not that one. Drag this one down, right down to here. All right, got something going on right here as well. So just keeping an eye on this level right here, brown. All right, drop, consolidating above it. Got something here. I'm gonna adjust settlement price now. Okay. Now, what do we do off these volume profile areas? It's gonna be an interesting thing, but daily, 4 hour, it might end up just dropping lower. One hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Kind of like this going on. It's a food for thought area. We'll drag it out. Okay. And that's basically it. This can go away. 1 hour. We'll leave the line because the line is still there. All right, let's go to VIX. Go back to NQ real quickly. I did add the high, right? I don't remember adding the low, but I don't remember the high. No. Okay. The high was somewhere around here, right? Yeah. All right. VIX. Is them up? Now what? Oh, that one? Yeah. That was some bullshit.
We are boxing. Be advised, we've been struck, we've been struck. Don't you don't you move.
Interesting. Anyways, the market opens up soon. I got my levels set. We know that news came out 8:30. Let me add the news. Went in. This one here should do fine. Show the study. 2:13. Perfect. All right. Yeah, that's what we're working with. All right. Interesting. All right. So that's that. See you on the flip side. Bye.